Life does exist after death.
Of course, so.
So then the concept of heaven, hell and all this do exist.
There are
sir?
heavens and hells, everything is there. Everything is there. Everything is there. There are dungeons and there are beautiful places. N number of places, N number of dungeons. You want to visit them?
Just curious to know about it.
You have visit them. Go and travel. Do astral travel. You can go anywhere you want in the astral body and see what is existing everywhere.
The world is divided by borders, right? Do you think it's right or wrong?
There won't be any more borders after 2055.
And why is that, sir?
The whole world will be one country. There will be Ramarajya everywhere. There will be no India, Pakistan, China. Borders won't be there. Because everybody is going to become enlightened.
Beautiful.
Because of PMC.
Sure, sir. That's our mission, yes.
PMC is the best thing that has happened to the Earth planet.
No doubt about that.
See, the Earth planet has got such a big history. After all the history, the best thing that happened to the Earth planet is PMC.
And we are going to change the history.
Yeah.
You are the pillar of PMC.
Sure, sir.
Jai Ho PMC.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Baba. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು PMC ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, and give your experiences for PMC. Record your experiences so that the whole world will know your experiences.